Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about what a patent is and how to register one in China. China has become a global powerhouse in research and development, making it crucial for inventors and businesses to understand the different types of patents available, the registration timelines, and the process of securing their innovative ideas. Allow me to guide you through this journey by beginning with the types of patents in China. To commence with, we have invention patents. These patents cover new technical solutions for products or processes. They go through a substantive examination by the Chinese Patent Office (CNIPA) to ensure that they meet the patentability requirements. Invention patents have a duration of 20 years from the filing date, giving inventors ample time to protect their creations. Examples of invention patents would be the light bulb invented by Thomas Edison, the telephone invented by Alexander Bell, the Wright brothers' flying machine, Nikola Tesla's alternating current system, and James Watt's steam engine. Next up, we have utility model patents. These patents protect practical utility for products and require a lower level of inventiveness compared to invention patents. Utility model patents undergo a preliminary examination and have a shorter duration of 10 years from the filing date. Famous examples would include the electric toothbrush design filed by Philippe Guy Wook in 1960, Post-it notes invented by Spencer Silver, and the one-click ordering feature by Amazon.com. Lastly, we have design patents. These patents focus on the visual appearance of a product, safeguarding the aesthetic aspects such as shape, pattern, or combination thereof. Design patents also have a validity of 10 years from the filing date. Famous examples would include the Coca-Cola bottle design that was first granted in 1915, the Apple iPhone design that was first granted in 2010 that covered the specific appearance of the iPhone X, and the Tesla Model S design that was granted in 2016. Now, let's turn our attention to the registration timelines in China. For invention patents, the registration process involves a substantive examination which typically takes around 2 to 4 years. However, it's important to note that this timeframe can vary depending on factors such as objections or the complexity of the technology involved. Utility model patents, on the other hand, undergo a preliminary examination that usually takes approximately 6 to 12 months. This process is generally faster than that of invention patents due to the lower inventiveness requirements. Design patents undergo a formal examination which typically takes 6 to 12 months. The focus here is on the formalities and the visual appearance of the design. Finally, let's delve into patent registration process in China. Firstly, it is important to prepare all the necessary information and supporting documents, including technical specifications, drawings, and descriptions. Ensure that your invention meets the patentability criteria. Next, file your patent application with the Chinese Patent Office (CNIPA) either online or by mail. Make sure to include all required documents such as the application form, patent claims, abstracts, and drawings. Once your application is submitted, it will undergo either a substantive examination for invention patents, a preliminary examination for utility model patents, or a formal examination for design patents. During this process, you may receive office actions from the CNIPA if there are objections or rejections. It is crucial to respond to these actions within the stipulated timeframe, addressing any concerns and providing necessary clarifications to support your application. If your patent application successfully passes the examination, the CNIPA will grant the patent and publish it in the Chinese Patent Gazette. You will be presented with a patent certificate validating your rights over the invention. In conclusion, registering a patent in China is a crucial step in safeguarding intellectual property rights. By understanding the different types of patents, the registration timelines, and the registration process, inventors and businesses can navigate this journey with confidence and protect their innovative ideas. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will talk about whether trading Bitcoin is illegal in China.